Here's my Cricut Explorer Air 2. It was purchased on August 1st of 2019. My ticket number is 2259893. Here is the new power cord that Cricut has sent to me. Plug it in. There is a green light, and the power button is red. Whenever it is opened up, the print and then cut light is on, and no other lights are on. Whenever the device is connected to a computer through USB, it says no device found. Whenever you hold it down, nothing happens. Again, there is a green light. Everything is plugged in. The ticket number. Here's the bottom label.